Today's lesson is atomic symbols. When going through your career in chemistry, you're going to experience many symbols and see them that have the general formula like this, where X is the symbol for that element. These are found on the periodic table. They're usually 1 or 2 letters. In the top right, we're going to be listing the charge of that atom or ion. And charge is simply the number of protons minus the number of electrons. Mass, M, goes in the top left of a symbol, and mass is calculated by adding up the number of protons and the number of electrons. P, as you might be able to tell, in the bottom left, is just the number of protons. This number defines elements. To show what I mean by that, let's take the example of this atom here. This atom, if we were going to start to fill in our symbol, has 2 protons. They are colored red as they were in the last video. And it has 2 neutrons. Protons plus neutrons is mass, so my mass is going to be 4. My charge is protons minus electrons. I have 2 protons and 2 electrons, so my charge is 0. On the periodic table, I'm going to have to look for an element that has 2 protons, helium, and I'm going to find that its symbol is He. Now, this symbol can stand in for this picture as it gives us the same information. It tells us that we have 2 protons, which makes this helium. This is the definition of helium. It has a mass of 4, which means I must have 2 neutrons, and a charge of 0. So I have an equal number of protons and electrons.